Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing accounts and the store. Sign out of Roblox and verify your Windows Microsoft account is ready. Install or update Roblox from the Microsoft Store so both app and store sync. Once done, create or confirm the second Microsoft account you'll use for the alternate Roblox profile. Make sure region and app updates match. This avoids authentication conflicts and lets you switch cleanly between accounts without reinstalling or losing saved settings. Now you'll add and use the second Microsoft account inside Windows and the store. Go to Windows Settings Accounts and add the new Microsoft account so the store can access it. Then open the Microsoft Store and switch profiles before launching Roblox. When Roblox opens, pick Sign In and enter the Roblox credentials tied to that Microsoft account. By doing this, you ensure the app associates correctly. Make sure you close the app between switches to clear cached session tokens. Finish by managing multiple profiles and learning one key recovery step. To switch, always close Roblox, change the Microsoft Store profile, then relaunch and sign into the matching Roblox account. This prevents mixed tokens. Use unique emails and enable two-factor authentication on each Roblox account to protect assets. If you run into sign-in errors, clear the Microsoft Store cache using WS Reset, restart Windows, and sign the Microsoft account back in. This fixes most sync and authentication issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.